Third oxo acid is pyrophosphorus acid. Pyrophosphorus acid. First one is hypophosphorus acid, that is called phosphenic acid, and second one is orthophosphorus acid, that is called phosphonic acid, and third one is pyrophosphorus acid and its formula is H4P2O5. H4P2O5. Its formula is, it contains phosphorus oxygen linkage. Pyro means at least one POP bond is present. Pyro means in pandra phosphorus oxygen phosphorus bond present. Then each phosphorus is tetrahedrally bound to the other 4 atoms or groups. In that, at least one P double bond O and one OH bond, and one is POP bond, and rest of the oxygen atoms are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 oxygen atoms mugudu, then hydrogen. This is the structure of pyrophosphorus acid, and oxidation state of phosphorus in this acid is -2 plus -2 into 5 -10, -10 plus 4 -6 plus 2x equal to 0, 2x equal to, that is 6 and x equal to plus 3. 10 minus 4, 6 by 2, that is plus 3. Next, basicity of an acid. Basicity is, there are 2 OH groups, 2 OH groups adava, and this is having basicity 2. 2 OH group means basicity is 2. Then number of P double bond O bonds 1, 2, 2. Number of POH bonds, those are also 2. Then number of pH bonds, avu ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವ 2 ಅದಾವ. Then number of POP bonds 1, and this acts as a reducing agent because which containing 2 pH bonds. Due to the presence of 2 pH bonds, it acts as a reducing agent. Acts as reducing agent because it contains 2 pH bonds. This is the structure of hypophosphorus acid. Next, coming to phosphoric series of oxo acids. In this, fourth one is hypophosphoric acid. Hypophosphoric acid, its formula is H4P2O6. H4P2O6 is the formula, and in this acid one PP bond is present. One the phosphorus ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ bond ಇರ್ತದೆ, and it contains 2 P double bond O bonds and 4 OH groups. Total number of hydrogens 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oxidation state of oxygen in this phosphorus is oxidation state of phosphorus in this acid 6. 12 minus 4, 8, 8 by 2 plus 4 oxidation state. Then basicity is number of OH groups are 4. 4 OH group adava. Basicity depends on number of OH groups and basicity is 4. Then number of P double bond O bonds, number of P double bond O bonds in this acid 2, number of POH bonds avest adava 4 adava. Then number of PH or PP bonds irಬೇಕು. In addition to these two, ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ PH or PP bond is present if the phosphorus has lower oxidation state, that is +5 ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಇದರೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಥವಾ PH ರೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Number of PP bonds 1 and this is ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ not acts as a reducing agent because it does not contain PH bond. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ reducing agent ಆಗಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ because this phosphoric acid does not containing PH bond. Hypophosphoric acid ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ PH bonds ಇಲ್ಲ, does not containing PH bond and does not acts as a reducing agent. Okay, then sixth one is orthophosphoric acid, or it is also called simply phosphoric acid. Orthophosphoric acid ಅಂತಾರ ಅಥವಾ simply phosphoric acid and its formula is H3PO4 and the structure of this compound or oxo acid is this is the structure. It containing 1 P double bond O and 3 OH POH bonds are present. Oxidation state of this phosphorus in this acid is oxidation state 4 into 2 8 minus 3 5 plus 5 is the oxidation state of phosphorus in this acid. Then basicity, the number of OH groups are 3 OH groups adava. Then basicity is 3. Next is number of P double bond O bonds, only 1. Then number of POH bonds, these are 3. ಇವು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಉಳಿದದ್ದು ಯಾವ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ seventh one, pyrophosphoric acid. Pyrophosphoric acid and its formula is H4P2O7. Pyro means it contains one POP linkage. ಒಂದು ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ POP linkage ಇರ್ತದೆ. And at least one P double bond O bond. Then hydrogens ಎಷ್ಟದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 4 and oxygens are 3 are used in this pp bond and pop bond and remaining 4 oxygen atoms are in OH group. This is the structure of pyrophosphoric acid. Oxidation state of phosphorus is oxidation state 14 minus 4 10 by 2 plus 5 oxidation state. Then basicity is 4 because it contains 4 OH groups, 4 OH groups. Then number of P double bond O bonds ಎಷ್ಟದವ 2. Number of POH bonds 4. Then number of POP bonds 1. These are the number of bonds in this oxo acid. Next is 8.1 polymeta phosphoric acid. Polymeta phosphoric acid, its formula is HPO3N. Poly means N stands for number of HPO3 units, and the structure of this is each phosphorus containing at least one POH and P double bond O groups. This is the structure of polymetaphosphoric acid, and oxidation state is oxidation state of phosphorus is 6 minus 1 plus 5. Then basicity is equal to N. If the number of OH groups are depends on N value. If the N value is 1 means the basicity OH group is 1 and basicity is 1. N equal to 2 means basicity is 2 because it containing 2 OH groups, and N equal to 3 means 3 OH groups. And number of bonds, number of P double bond O bonds 1 unit ಒಳಗೆ 1 ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. For example, let us take this unit. This is the one HPO3 unit. In this contains one P double bond O, number of POH bond is 1, and number of POP bonds are 2. ಎರಡು ಈ ಕಡೆನೂ ಒಂದು ಬಂದದ, ಈ ಕಡೆನೂ ಒಂದು. In this unit only. Then last one is 9th one, cyclotrimetaphosphoric acid. Cyclotrimetaphosphoric acid, its formula is HPO3 thrice. N equal to 3 ಐತಿ, ಬಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೈಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್, and its structure is This is the structure of cyclotrimetaphosphoric acid, and basicity is, or oxidation state of this is, oxidation state nodri 3 plus 5 oxidation state, 6 minus 1 5. Then basicity is 3 because it contains 3 OH groups, 1 2 3. Then number of P double bond O bonds are 3, number of pH bonds are 3, number of POP bonds are also 3. These are the number of bonds in cyclotrimetaphosphoric acid. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 3 pH3 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು 3 ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ HPO3 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್, this is one unit HPO3, and this one is second unit, and this one is third unit. These are the 3 HPO3 units are present in cyclotrimetaphosphoric acid, and oxidation state of phosphorus is +5, basicity is 3 because 3 OH groups are present. And this completes the 15th group elements. 15th group elements ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. And in this 15th group elements, some of the important points are some basic properties of 15th group elements first, then nitrogen, compounds of nitrogen like ammonia and HNO3, these are very important, and some of the reactions of HNO3 metals like Zn and copper, and some of the properties and oxo acids of phosphorus. ಇವೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ನಿಂದ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ನಿಂದ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪಿ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ contains 10 marks, and this 10 mark is divided into 1 mark 1 question, 3 marks 3 questions, 1 mark 1, 3 mark 3, and total 10 marks. Total 10 marks ಬರ್ತದೆ. And 3 marks questions are, it may be of ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ 2+1 ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ 1+1+1 ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ 15th ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಮೋನಿಯಾ, ಆಮೇಲೆ HNO3 reactions, some basic characters of 15th group elements. These are very important, and these are structures of oxo acids. This completes the 15th group, and next class we will discuss the 16th group. Okay, thank you.